Theo Connell, and if you are watching live, happy Halloween! You like my little Halloween scarf? This is the most that I dress up for Halloween. Not really a Halloween type of person, but you know, when you're a mama, you gotta like Halloween. So if you celebrate Happy Halloween, I want to let you know that tomorrow night, so that will be November 1st, in our Dating Made Easier membership, our monthly training will be a very good one that you will want to check out if you are out there dating, and especially if you're not sure how to write a good dating profile. I have an excellent training and a handout, a guide that will help you come up with a great way to describe yourself, what you're looking for, and what you want in a relationship. Like I would say, the dating profile is more for you in helping you get clarity on what you want in the dating scene rather than the people reading it. But it's important to have a good dating profile that will draw people to you. So you want to join us definitely for the month of November in Dating Made Easier, because not only will I do the training and tell you how to write a good dating profile and disclose your disability if you care to do that in the dating profile, but I will also, in the rest of the month, give you an opportunity in our meetings to help you refine your dating profile. And if you want a low risk opportunity to do all that, there's a link in the post where you can join Dating Made Easier. It's my dating membership where we work on skills to help you find the relationships that make you feel loved, valued, and happy. Check out the link right here in the post. You can try us out for 14 days. If you get that today, you get in and get the workshop tomorrow night on the dating profile. Check us out. You're going to be blown away by the support you get. And if you're really frustrated with the dating scene and not making progress, come and let me work with you. I can definitely help you see it in a new way and feel more empowered. Hope to see you tomorrow night at the workshop. Take care.